Hey there, you doers. You may have a Visa gift card lying around that you got for your birthday or some other gift. And oftentimes after we've used them online or on a store, that there's some remnant left over, like maybe $5.32 or something like that. And you wonder, what do I do with this? So my understanding is you can use fractional gift cards, but you have to know the amount when you're making a purchase in a store, right? You can tell the cashier that you have multiple gift cards you want to use, and they'll hopefully walk you through the process. I personally have never done that. What I do when I have a remainder on a gift card, I go to Amazon. So what I do is I reload my own gift card credit on my account, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But just a reminder now, you may know this, you may not know it, but the minimum for an Amazon gift card, as far as I understand, is $5. And I faced that yesterday when I was looking at the amounts that you need to add. Because I was I was actually taking some fractional gift cards and adding it to my Amazon account. So it's $5. So what that means is if you have a remainder on your gift card less than that, you cannot reload your gift card, nor can you purchase a regular gift card. And then you would have to probably either use it to pay something else online. I've heard you can use it, some people use it to pay their electric bill and stuff like that, but I've never done that. You can use it maybe to pay part of a medical payment. You may, if you owe something on medical, or you can use it in a store. Just make sure you know the amount that's on there. So anyways, assuming you have, let's go with $5.32 on your gift card remaining. How do you know that? You can either call the 1-800 number on the back of your gift card, or you can log into the account or that you can set up. And you need to set up an account, I believe, to purchase anything online or on the phone. And what you do is you simply register. There should be a website name on the back of the gift card or on the packet that you get here that holds the gift card. And there you simply add the codes and the expiration dates, etc., to the website, and let you add your name and your address. And so that allows you then to purchase stuff online. So if you have that set up and you know the amount on your gift card, what I do is I simply go to Amazon. And you can do that on your computer, or you can do it on your phone. So on your phone, what you do is you just go to on the Amazon app, and similarly on your computer. But on the Amazon app, at the bottom of your screen, the home screen, is a little silhouette of a person, and I believe that's like my account equivalent on your computer. And when you click on that, what you would do is you'd scroll down quickly to the gift card balance. You'll see something that should say gift card balance, and in there'll be two selections: a redeem a gift card and reload your balance. What you want to do is you want to select reload your balance, and then when it says when you get to the next screen, simply scroll down to the choices there, and you'll have one-time reload, and you'll have also this low balance auto reload. So the one-time reload is what I select. You click one-time reload, and it'll give you these different options, including $25, $50, and $100, and also this option where you can type something in. That's where you type what you want. So if I typed in $5.23, I would type that in, and then I would simply do buy now. So then you click on buy now, and it's not going to purchase it right at that moment. So you'll get this place here, and you'll have your default payment, which for you may be your Amazon Visa or some other Visa card, or maybe it's a checking account. It should show your default payment method, but you don't want to select that one. You want to select right below that. It should say change payment method. So you click on change payment method, and then from there you can then go in. When it says select the payment method, click on the top right where it says plus add new. So when you do plus add new, it'll ask you, do you want to add a bank account, or do you want to add a credit or debit card? So you add the credit debit card, and then it'll open up, and there you can add your information about your card. And I think that's where it's important that you've registered online. So you just type that in, and once you type it in and you add it, it'll go back on the list. Then you can complete your purchase. Just make sure that's the credit card or debit card that's being used, the gift card, and just double check the last four to make sure that's it, and believe the expiration date. Just make sure it's all good, and then you can make your purchase, and you'll have cleared out that gift card. And then within a few moments, they say up to an hour, but my own experience only takes maybe, 5 minutes or so. and it'll appear on your, again, if you go back to my account, scroll down to gift card balance, it should appear on your gift card balance. And then generally, I believe with Amazon, next time you make a purchase, it'll use that gift card balance. Of course, you can change it so it won't do that, but generally it'll default your gift card balance. So that's what I do when I have fractional gift cards that are left, like, you know, a few dollars here or there. Anyways, you doers, be safe, and please like and subscribe, and keep getting things done.